Greetings. This is John Windust, CSC110 Quiz 3. Okay, let's get into it. This is the turtle quiz. Really enjoyed the turtle assignments, by the way. I thought they were pretty fun. Anyway, just hopping right into question 1. Just so you know, I use Dean instead of Tess because I really didn't like the person in my life that I knew named Tess. Anyway, the first question, we're just drawing a circle using a function. So it's a pretty basic little function down here. I think the big deal is just making sure that your cursor starts and stops or your object starts and stops in the exact same place for the following function. Anyway, let's run this real quick. Anyway, draw the square, start and stop same place. Turtle. Question 2, we're using the previous function that we made in the problem before. So we have the function that's drawing the square, and now we made this new function down here, and that is drawing basically a series of squares. And it'll draw the amount of squares that you specify and the distance too. So you can do that. Anyway, this one we're running 2 different ones because they're 2 different little patterns, but really you could do an infinite number of patterns. So those are a little closer together. And let me just run number 2. I mean, you really could run them at the same time if you wanted, but boom. Anyway, just a little bit further apart. Let me just change this back for turn-in. Okay, and now function number 3. So this combines the first 2 functions, so it's kind of cool actually when you really look at it. So we're in the first one, the first function, we're defining draws a square. The second function that's defined here, it draws basically a series of squares. And then this third function down here, it draws a series of squares in the shape of a square, which is kind of cool. My issue initially was getting it lined up correctly. If I were to redo it from scratch, I would do my square program so it starts and stops in the middle of the square. But instead I just did this little bit of math. I just drew it out right here. Basically it ends here. I needed to move here. Just some Pythagorean theorem. Blah, blah, A equals B. Substitution, A equals size square root of 2. That's just the little... Oh, wrong one. Sorry. Oh my gosh. There it is. Okay, so let's run this, show that it works. Oh, I should have made the speed 0. I'll change the speed to 0 before I turn it in. Thank you so much, and have a great day.